7 goals for this chapter. Interpret a model with many regressors, master the all-else equal reading of slopes, quantify omitted variable bias, use regression anatomy, build F-tests for joint hypotheses, separate R² from its adjusted version, and read residual diagnostics. Why go beyond one regressor? 3 reasons, each previewed with a number. First, the ceteris paribus interpretation, the size effect on price holding the monthly fee constant. Second, better predictions. Adding the fee raises R² from 7% to 35%. Third, omitted variable bias correction. The size slope jumps from 0.017 to 0.037 once the fee is controlled. All 3 run through the same 1,000 apartments. Start with a genuine puzzle. Regress price on the monthly fee alone, and the slope is positive. Apartments with higher fees sell for more. That collides with intuition, since a high fee should make an apartment less attractive. The resolution sits at the bottom of the page. Larger apartments have both higher fees and higher prices. The size effect is hiding inside the fee coefficient. The 3 scatters lay the confounding out. Left, size against price, positive. Middle, fee against price, positive, but confounded. Right, size against fee, strongly positive, and that third panel is the culprit. Because size drives both of the others, the bivariate fee and price relationship mixes 2 effects together. What we actually want are 2 cleaner questions. Holding the fee constant, how does price change with size? Holding size constant, how does price change with the fee? That is the ceteris paribus question, all else equal, and multiple regression is the tool built to answer exactly it. Formally, the slope on the first regressor is the partial derivative of the conditional expectation, the expected price difference between apartments with the same monthly fee, but one more square meter. Read the practice notes carefully. We compare different apartments at the same fee. We are not physically enlarging a single apartment while freezing its fee. The comparison runs across units, never within one. And one more guardrail before the estimates. This ceteris paribus slope is a cross-sectional descriptive statement. It is the slope of the regression surface, not a causal effect. Causal interpretation needs the additional assumptions of Chapter 13. Holding the fee constant describes a comparison between existing apartments, not an intervention on any of them.